Hello, my dear students. I'm sure each one of you are healthy and safe at home. Each one of you have locked down yourself at home and following the guidelines of the COVID-19 defined by the government of Andhra Pradesh as well as the government of India. I would like to address each one of you and let you know the importance of self-learning, because that is something which is a very crucial attribute in this phase of where we are having online classes for all our schools and engineering colleges at Vignan. Now, when it comes to self-learning, okay, self-learning is something that is very important because anything that you learn by yourself remains with you forever. Let's talk about a few examples. Downloading of a mobile app, or browsing something on the Google window, or browsing something on the YouTube. These things are something that none of them ever have taught you, be it by your parents or the faculty, but you learned it by yourself. So you learn or you do things so perfect in these areas that you never tend to get any fault in these particular things. So self-learning has got that kind of importance, be it be a school student or a +1, +2 student, or an undergraduation or a post-graduation student. Now, when it comes to the school students will have to understand things by themselves, because the papers set by CBSE or ICSE or state board, most of the paper, I would say 80 to 85% of the paper or the questions in these papers come out from nowhere. Okay, they are not found anywhere. So you need to understand very well how to understand or how to know the concept behind the question asked and how to answer it. The same applies to students of +1 and +2. When it comes to a +1, the levels of the curriculum or the standards of the education or the standards of the books shift almost from level 1 to level 5 for any syllabus, be it state or CBSE or ICSE, when it comes from class 10 to class 11. So students of class 11 will have to have very much focus on understanding things by themselves so that they can fare well during their class 11 and class 12. Now, when it comes to engineering students, okay, you need to understand that in this phase of undergraduation, that is, be it engineering or any of the undergraduation courses, you will have to learn things by yourself, because when it comes to your campus interviews, people will ask, the very first question would be to tell about yourself. So you know very well about yourself. You need to understand how well you need to prepare yourself for marketing yourself to be outstanding in comparison to other students who have also attended the same interview process. So self-learning plays that crucial a role in any human being's life. Now, after getting selected, even when you get into your jobs, once you get into job, be it Infosys or Capgemini or Microsoft or Amazon, any of the companies that are there across the world, you need to understand that once you get in there, there would not be any faculty who would come and train you and sit with you with a pen and a book. They would just let you know what the work you need to do is, and that is something that you need to understand, learn it by yourself and put it forward so that you can grow up the ladder in your corporate world. So it's very, very important for every student, be it a school student or a +1, +2 or a graduation student, to learn things by yourself so that will remain like with you forever and would be a feather on the cap for every student who learns things by himself or herself. So understand the importance of self-learning. Make sure that each one of you spend quality time in learning things by yourself. That would remain with you forever, and that would help you to reach greater heights in your future. Thank you very much and have a nice day.